Alright, in my video today I'm going to give you a very short demonstration of Solidworks with OpenBOM, one-click integration. So just in a minute I will show you how you can operate OpenBOM with SolidWorks. So let's say you have OpenBOM installed in the SolidWorks. It comes as an add-in that you activate and you can use it with assemblies and parts. So let's say I have a very small demo assembly in SolidWorks. I can configure settings, and when I'm configuring settings I can set what information and how will be transferred to OpenBOM. So you don't need to worry about most of the settings besides what properties will be transferred and then what type of bill of materials to build, which is multi-level BOM as default. So then one click on the BOM will take all information from your assembly, will build automatic data structures in OpenBOM, extract data and organize this data in OpenBOM catalogs and extract bill of materials. So I click on continue. So during this process we extract bill of materials information, assembly components, all metadata, extract it to OpenBOM, create preview images. Optionally, you can extract your files in the original SolidWorks format or also in the neutral PDF and 3D PDF format. So as a result, we click on the link of the created bill of materials, and you can see that the information is already available in OpenBOM, and you can edit this information and you can share this information with anybody else. So that was all with OpenBOM and the demonstration of one-click OpenBOM for SolidWorks. So take a look for more information at openbom.com. Thank you very much and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.